The holiday months are here, so all of us are thinking about gifts, wrapping, presents, and so I have a really good wrapping paper station. So there's bows, wrapping paper, gift bags, all the things that we need to make a beautiful gift or present a beautiful gift. So it has fabric drawers, and you do assemble this yourself. So it does have a user manual with pictures on how to, step-by-step guide on how to assemble it yourself. Here it is all laid out when I first got it. So you can see you literally put everything together step by step. This is lightweight, lots of pieces, but it comes together nicely when you have the guide. Right here, there's 4 dividers for things like storing your gift bags, stuff like that. We also have flat wrapping paper. So for us, it works out really nice to be able to store our flat wrapping paper here. But there's also spots on the side to store your traditional tubed wrapping paper. There are drawers here for things like bows, tape, scissors, tissue paper. On the side here, on this side here, I wanted to point out, it does have wheels with a lock right here, so you can easily move this around if you need to. And you can move this in and out. One thing I wanted to point out, so I have these ribbons with these teeny tiny holes. I just pulled this part off, this rubber silicone part, and when I was able to slide these out nicely, and it's nice because they don't come out easily without moving the cork on the end. So back here you can see there's bigger holes. So say you have the thicker rolls that you get from like Costco, you can put them in there. Or if you have like wrapping to ship things, sometimes they come in those big brown tubs. But right here it's just a smaller hole, so the traditional wrapping paper fits nicely in here. So this is what the back looks like. We'll spin it around and you can see that this is what the front looks like. So practical, it does hold a lot. I love that it has these drawers because I have so many bows, tape, scissors, ribbon, everything, and so it nicely fits in there. This is a shelf that you can put baskets in with stuff. I kind of have it decorated because I don't need any more stuff. I do have a burlap bag full of extra, just zip ties, ribbons and bows and stuff like that. So it does hold extra bags on the shelf and stuff. You can use this to store more things, or you can use it to wrap your gifts on.